All right, court, good afternoon, everyone. Court will resume with the March 8th, 2022 docket. We're live stream. And let's see who we can find.
Great.
Number 8. Sounds good to me. Mr. Mercado, good afternoon. Can you hear me, sir?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, I can hear you.
All right. And your client is Jose Angel Tejeda?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. He needs to unmute.
Listo.
Okay, there it is. Good afternoon, sir.
Buenas tardes.
Okay.
Buenas tardes.
We have an interpreter here.
Levante su mano derecha, por favor.
You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura que el testimonio que va a dar es la verdad, solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad? Sí. Yes, puede bajar su mano.
CR 2201-680D, Jose Angel Tejeda, your charge DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
CR 22-01680D, José Ángel Tejeda. Was he going to say something? No. A usted, señor, lo acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta del juez es, ¿usted comprende eso, sí o no? Sí. Yes.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
¿Y cómo se declara? ¿Culpable o no culpable? No culpable. Not guilty.
Okay, court will enter a not guilty plea here on this arraignment hearing. And Mr. Tejeda, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Señor Tejeda, ¿se le ha ordenado a usted por orden de un juez de que tenga el aparato móvil de alcohol en su vehículo? Sí. ¿Sí
pero
lo tiene?
me dijeron que no, me dijeron que el bond me iban a decir a dónde fuera para que me lo pusieran y me dijeron ellos que hasta
Okay,
el día
so
de la corte
ahorita,
ustedes me iban a
ahorita
decir.
no lo tiene.
No.
Okay, he does not have it.
Okay, then we need his, you want to do email or?
Señor, por orden del juez, porque es obligatorio por el estado de Texas, es ley, porque a usted lo arrestaron por una clase A. El juez le va a ordenar el aparato que ya sea va en su vehículo o el portable, ¿ok? El juez va a firmar una orden, se la van a mandar a su abogado y comuníquese con su abogado porque así él le da la copia de la orden y una lista de los lugares donde usted puede ir a obtener ese aparato. Es importante de que mientras este caso esté pendiente de que usted no esté tomando ni manejando. Y ahorita lo que el juez necesita es un número de teléfono.
Es 956
956
342
342
9172.
9172.
Okay, Mr. Mercado, we'll reset the case for April 7th at 3 p.m. for the compliance hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
At that time, hopefully we'll have proof of the interlock. If not, I mean, if you get it earlier, let the court know, okay, sir?
Señor
Yes, Your
Tejeda,
Honor.
usted tiene que ir a obtener ese equipo de máquina antes del día 7 de abril, ¿ok? Y tal lo tenga, entonces háblele a su abogado porque le tiene que presentar pruebas de que usted ya lo tiene para que así él se lo entregue al oficial de libertad condicional.
Okay.
¿Ok?
Okay, so Mr. Tejeda, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Señor Tejeda, por favor, no estar tomando alcohol mientras este caso esté pendiente, por favor.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir. You may be excused.
Gracias.
And Mr. Mercado, you
Se
have a
puede
great day, sir.
retirar.
You too, Your Honor. Take
All
care.
right, bye. You too, bye-bye. Who you want to bring next?
Miss Connett, she's got number 5 and number 6.
All right.
With Mr. Montemayor.
Okay, Ms. Connett.
Mr. Montemayor is trying
Good
to
afternoon, Judge.
Yes, good afternoon. I think your client is trying to connect right now.
He's what?
He's trying to connect right now. He's connecting. Ramiro Montemayor?
Yes.
Okay.
He told me last night that he hired another attorney.
Oh,
What do you have?
who did he hire, do you know?
He didn't tell me the full name, but he did say Oscar.
Okay, yeah, I've got Oscar Vega here.
All right. Well, you know what? He's got Ramiro Montemayor. Okay, well then I see Oscar now. I see him in the waiting room.
Okay. And I think the client's there too.
Oh, okay.
So that's all
So
I have.
thank you, Miss Conant. Thank you so much. You're excused. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you. You guys too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, Judge.
Hello, Mr. Vega.
Yes, sir.
You went ahead and got hired by Mr. Montemayor, right?
I did, Judge. He's got 2 cases and he's sitting in my office. I think he's on the screen.
All right.
If Mr. Vega hasn't filed a motion to
No, he just walked in.
substitute, he needs
He
to
just
do it.
walked in. I'll file him today, Judge. They're both
Okay.
motions.
All right.
And,
File a motion
they're requesting
substitute,
discovery.
please.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. And we have Ramiro Montemayor. He needs to unmute.
Mr.
Yes, sir.
Montemayor, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there he is. He's got 2 cases, CR 2201-131D, DWI Class A, CR 2201-132D, evading Class A. Each case is a Class A misdemeanor. Each case carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, Mr. Montemayor?
Yes, sir.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea here for both cases. And do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
I'm sorry, what, sir?
Do you happen to have the interlock device?
No, sir, I do not.
Okay, because it's a DWI Class A, it's mandatory by state that you have it, or
Yes,
a
sir.
mobile device or portable. So we'll need your email so we can get you an order.
Yes, sir.
Could we have your email?
Yes, it will be my first and last name. So Ramiro Montemayor
Okay.
_1 at hotmail.com.
_1 and then you got it?
At Hotmail.
Is it at hotmail.com?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we got it. Okay. All right. So in the meantime, we will reset this matter for April 7th, 3 p.m. for a compliance hearing so that we can show the court some proof that you have something. If you get it earlier, tell that to your attorney and maybe we can dispense with the hearing. But it'll be set for April 7th, 3 p.m., Mr. Vega.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right. And Mr. Montemayor, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck with that, and we'll see you later. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We have Mr. Davila.
Ángel Davila?
His client was
Mhm.
on the screen, but I think he logged off.
We're looking for Alberto Hernandez.
Did see him on the screen earlier, Your Honor.
Right. I thought it was,
I think he logged off. Somebody logged off, and I think it was him.
yeah.
Maybe he got disconnected.
Okay.
There he is.
All right, he's back on.
He's connecting.
All right, he's connecting right now. There he is. He needs to unmute. Can you unmute Mr. Hernandez?
Ok, ahí está. Sí. Ay.
Quítese la gorra, señor Hernández.
Oh, sí, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Do you need interpreting, Mr. Hernandez?
No, sir, nomás que estaba batallando aquí para ponerme aquí en
Okay.
el phone. Sí.
Okay, no problem. You're back on. That's pretty good. Mr. Davila, I think he has got what, 4 cases? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, he does have 4, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Looks like 2 DWI cases. The first one, CR 2101-152D, CR 2200-988D. Both of them are DWI cases, Class A misdemeanor. Then CR 2200-989D, possession of a controlled substance, Class A misdemeanor. And the fourth one, CR 2200-990D, failed to identify. That'll be Class B. So the first 3 are Class A misdemeanors. Each case carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. The last case, failure to ID, is a Class B misdemeanor. That carries a potential penalty of 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for all four cases, how do you plead today? Not guilty?
My client is going to
Uh,
plead not guilty to all cases and respectfully request pretrial and trial dates, Your Honor.
All right. For each case, all four cases, not guilty. Today is the arraignment day. And I have a question, Mr. Hernandez. Do you have the interlock device in your vehicle?
No tengo vehicle, sir.
Okay. And you don't have a portable or a handheld?
No, pues
Either.
no sabía que tenía que ser un portable, sir.
Okay. Now, it's mandatory because it's a Class A misdemeanor DWI charge. What I'll need is your phone number so we can send you an order and a list of vendors so you can find one. Could we have your phone number?
A este, sir, el 956
Okay.
560 5969.
5969.
¿Qué es, Ana? 59
69.
or 6959, sir.
Then it's the other way around.
Sí, sir. Sorry about that.
6959.
Yes, sir.
And in
Okay,
the
gracias.
first and in the other three numbers were 516.
It's 560, Your Honor.
560.
69 Yeah, 560-6959. My client at this time doesn't have a phone number, but this is a family member's phone number that can.
Okay.
he can
All
receive.
right. All right. So we're gonna send. I'm sorry. We're gonna set all cases for April 7th.
And Your Honor,
April-
can I respectfully get a little bit more time than that? He does have a felony currently pending. So we would like to see if we can resolve that.
Okay. I tell you what. This is just for compliance.
To make sure he
Even if he just shows up by himself, we just need to know if he's got the interlock device or the
Understood, Your
portable.
Honor.
However,
Understood.
I'll do it better. If he gets it before the 7th and you just let the court know, there'll be no hearing.
Okay, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So, Mr. Hernandez, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Está bueno, sir.
All right. Good luck with this device here when you get it. And so
Ándale.
you're excused. Have a great day. Thank you, sir.
Dios lo bendiga. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all I have before this honorable court, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You may be excused. Thank you, sir. Good day.
Thank you.
¿Viste? Acá. Pon que le pago. Dios los bendiga, tío. Sí, pues está bien.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Your client is Gerardo Gallegos.
That's correct, Judge. I filed a motion to substitute this morning. I was just retained on this case yesterday.
Okay.
The issue is that Mr. Gallegos is currently employed with an oil field company. He's in Louisiana right now with no phone service, no internet service. He is going to be back in the Valley in about 2.5 weeks, Judge. I would ask if the court could allow us to pass today's arraignment and then set it for about 2.5 weeks down the road to bring him in to get arraigned.
Okay, now let me see here. Let me get a date.
The March 31st at 3 p.m.
March 31st. Will he already be back? Oh, no. Even if he's out there, is that what it is? He'll still be on.
Judge, is this a case where we can do a waiver, or he have to be present?
He's got to be present because it's a Class A.
Okay, not a problem.
And yeah, all the Class Bs are fine with waivers, but not the Class A. March 31st, what time?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Okay, not a problem, Judge.
Yeah, it'll be a Raymond, okay? A Raymond
Yes,
at
you got it,
March
Judge.
31st to 3 p.m. All right,
All
make
right.
sure he gets that message, okay? Thank you.
You got it, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you, bye. Okay, next.
Rick, can you give me the case number for Mr. Bravo? I know that he is not on the docket. It's from yesterday.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. Case number CR-21-11180-D, Emilio Silva Acosta Senior.
Emilio Silva
Acosta.
Acosta. All right. Is that the gentleman right there, Emilio?
Just needs to unmute.
All right, you need to unmute Mr. Silva, Mr. Acosta.
I need a system interpreter.
What is it, a DWI class?
Yes. Mr. Bravo, it's a DWI class A?
Yes, Ron.
All right, can you hear me, Mr. Acosta?
1 second.
Okay.
Second.
Hold on. Los chavos están hablando.
Es que ellos te ponen que tú no escuches y luego tienes que verlos.
Están en la computadora.
Ahorita que te digan algo, me respondes nomás.
Es que tengo que tratar la gorra, güey. Tengo que tratar la gorra. Porque si no, va a ser después de respeto. Estás hablando adelante de un juez. Y te la gorra como quiera. No estás ahí en la corte, como quiera que tienes que tratar la gorra. Y para él hacer lo que va a hacer.
All right, court will resume here with the March 8th, 2022 docket. And we have Emilio Silva Acosta, CR 21-11-180D. And Mr. Acosta, you're charged DW Class A misdemeanor, which carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Señora Acosta, en el caso de usted, SR 21-11180D, el estado de Texas contra Emilio Silva Acosta Sr., lo acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de 1 año en la cárcel. Eso es lo que la ley dice. La pregunta del juez es, ¿usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Dile que sí.
¿O pagar?
Sí, va. Dile que sí.
Sí.
¿Usted comprende? Yes.
All right, and how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
¿Y cómo se declara, culpable o no culpable?
Culpable.
Judge, on behalf of Mr. Acosta, we'd like to enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, for today, Mr. Silva, I'm sorry, Mr. Acosta, for today, your plea will be not guilty. And anytime down the line, you can always change your mind as your attorney does negotiations.
Señor Acosta, ahorita el juez le va a tomar una declaración de no culpable, pero en el futuro, ya que usted hable con su abogado, si llegan a un acuerdo con el fiscal, entonces puede cambiar su declaración a culpable, ¿ok? Pero necesita hablar con su abogado a ver si puede llegar a un acuerdo.
Ajá.
Ahorita, ¿usted tiene el aparato en su vehículo?
No.
Okay. It's a Class A charge, Mr. Acosta. It is mandatory by state that you do have that or a portable. What is your phone number, sir?
¿Cuál es su número de teléfono, señor?
Ahorita te lo doy porque la tengo mi hijo apuntado, porque estamos hablando por otro teléfono.
I think Joe Bravo has it.
Mr. Bravo, do you have it?
Judge, it's at 956-322-4732.
47 what?
4732.
Sí, es el mismo.
Okay, it's the same one.
4732. Okay, because we're gonna send an order to your attorney so we can get your interlock device. Mr. Bravo, we'll set it for April 7th, 3 p.m. for status hearing or compliance hearing.
And if he wants to plea out on that day, we can also take a plea.
Of course, on that day we can take up anything they have, okay? Except an NTS or a jury trial.
Señora Costa, el juez por ley tiene que ordenar el aparato en su vehículo. Si usted no tiene vehículo, entonces va a ser el portable, ¿ok? Y usted tiene que tener esa máquina para antes del día 7 de abril. Es importante que, por favor, esté en contacto con el señor Bravo, ¿ok? A lo mejor para entonces ya pueden arreglar algo. Y es importante que mientras este caso esté pendiente, usted no esté tomando ni manejando. ¿Ok? Y repórtese con el señor Bravo. Cuando él se comunique con usted, usted necesita regresarle la llamada. Es importante. Porque si no se hace una orden de arresto.
Ok.
¿Ok?
Okay, Mr. Acosta, thank you very much. Good luck. We'll see you later.
Gracias, señora Acosta. Suerte.
Igualmente.
All right.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Gracias,
Thank you, Mr. Bravo. You're welcome.
On Judge, the court did have an order judgment night
You
side
can recall the
last.
night side.
Oh, we had a nice side?
Yes.
It'll be recalled.
Thank you, Ron.
Recall nice side. All right.
Mr. Garza. Carlos Garza.
Mr. Carlos Garza. And Cristobal Hernandez.
Number 9.
Is he on?
Unless he's in his office.
Okay. Yes, sir, Mr. Garza.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon, sir. You have Cristobal Hernandez?
Yes, sir. Ready for a plea? I mean, sorry.
Yeah, no, it's a plea. It's an arraignment. It could be a plea not guilty. How about your client? Is he there with you?
No, sir. We haven't been able to contact him.
Okay, because sometimes you have a client sitting behind you or something or next to you, but
Yeah.
not right now. So you didn't get a hold of him?
No, we didn't. We sent him a letter, informative, and we haven't heard from him.
All right, then at this time, court will go ahead and set it for NICI CR 22-01-750, Cristobal Hernandez. Well, thank you for that announcement and have a great afternoon. Okay, sir, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge. Good to see you.
Yes, sir, bye-bye. Good seeing you. Who else do we have?
Okay, that's a nice side. And then number 7 is a nice side.
Number 7, CR 22-01-381D, Mario Blanco. I don't see him in the waiting room, nor his attorney, Rolando Cantu. It'll be a nice side. Anything else?